6 ADONAI Smart Academy, and I am the head boy of ADONAI Smart Academy. I am very happy for the IYF because they have brought us some knowledge of washing our hands and some gifts which can help us in washing them and avoid diseases. So thank you.
My name is Uisengajori. I would like to invite you because of IYF. They help us in hand washing. They give us some gifts in hand washing, and they dance for us because we like them and they like us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you.
My name is Gavin Bishar Wanje. I'm so happy because of these events. It teach us to wash hands very well, 6 steps, and I'm so happy to wash hands is very important. When you are going to wash hands, you can follow the steps, and I'm so happy to invite you again on ADONAI Smart Academy.
Hello everyone, my name is Pastor John Mutebi, the legal representative of ADONAI Smart Academy. I'm too thankful for today. We thank so much IYF for the great contribution in partnership with SULFO. They were here for the hand washing campaign, teaching our kids the steps of hand washing, and all kids have been reminded that washing, it is not just a matter of washing, but you need to follow the steps. Because when you follow the step, the washing is done in a good way. We thank so much SULFO in partnership with IYF because they have been helping us in such campaigns. They have donated to us soap and Vaseline, which will help our kids to wash well. So we are too thankful. May God bless them.